get off the tile.
Tommy,
Tommy, get off the tile.
Miguel just want to be in the video.
Hey, guys, can you move back a little bit?
Emma.
Oh, it's like poofing up.
Can you move out just a little bit?
Avery!
Alright, we gotta be patient for this one. It takes a little bit of time.
Get out.
Katie, get out of the shot.
Guys, get
Garage
off
it
the
like
tile.
cave.
Guys, get off the tile. Get off the tile.
You can be over here.
Katie,
Christian, you're filling.
it's like
Rachel.
Get off the tile.
This is
Thank
an
you.
example of like what would happen when we bake cake.
Yeah.
Well, no. What this is an example of is when you go like to the top of the atmosphere and stuff like that.
Rachel, Christian, you're still on the camera.
Now, why is it doing this?
This camera.
Why is this happening?
Because
I don't know.
the mall.
Have a little shaving cream to press mask.
I don't know if I
Mask
thought
is annoying. Well,
Hey!
Really bad.
I know. Stop.
it's not coming out. Smells good. Everything with those sets, like the Spider-Man
This is a good trick if you ever run out of shaving cream.
You just double it.
Who would like shave his face?
Just put it in a vacuum.
What's happening to the mass of the shaving cream?
He still has the face.
Staying the same. And what's happening to the vine? The vine is increasing, so the density is decreasing. Yes.
I know you've been lacking a shave lately.
Why don't we find out? Let's do this.
Can we let it fill the whole thing and then
It's all on the side. There's oil. It's a lot of oil.
This is Centerville tree, so it's on the other side.
Oh yeah, it does now.
There's a belt that goes around it, on the side.
If you let it go for too long, would it burst the sand?
Oh wait, can we let it slide?
It's freezing. Is the mask gonna break?
Rachel, you're still on the thing.
It's an afro.
I'm not in it.
Yeah, you are. But the camera's still picking you
The
up.
rule is to not be on the tile, and I'm not on the tile. So you're still in the shot.
You're not a member of Video Club, so get out of the shot.
I'm a member of it.
You are, so you can be in the shot if you want.
Wait, there's a video club? I want to
Yes.
lift it up and touch it.
Okay, so, alright, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and release some of the...
I'm a member.
Okay, Rachel, that girl,
Look at that.
predicted that that the volume should decrease. Let's see what happens. Okay, why is it not going good? Oh, there we go.
Whoa!
And now it's the same amount of shaving cream, Martha.
No.
I wanted it to like go back.
Now you
Did it
can
end
kinda
up
see-
duplicating
Yeah, now you'll kind of see the shaving cream doesn't look... Yeah, you can have to
Now you have to watch it. Now you have to watch it.
Now, yeah.
Cold?
Is it?
Same thing.
I guarantee you it's not cold.
Notice the shaving cream is just kind of like liquid soap. And then what you do, like, is you have to whip it up. Have you guys ever seen like an old-fashioned shaving kit where it has like a brush and a straight-edge razor? Maybe seen it in a movie or something. That's why they put the liquid soap in the bowl, and then they take the brush and they whip it up. Basically, it's like you take a blender
I wanna
and
feel
whip
it.
it up. You puff it up with air, just like whipped cream. You guys ever made whipped cream at home?
Yeah.
Like real whipped cream, it's liquid, and then you blend it. It makes it all poofy. Why?
Bye, you kid.
What are you putting in it? You're adding air. Okay, you're whipping it. That's what shaving cream is. It's whipped up. It's got a whole bunch of air pumped in it. That's why. And there's air. No, there's air in there. And then when you lower the pressure, the air inside the shaving cream becomes relatively greater. And that's why it starts pumping up and getting a lot bigger. Yeah, it's going. We might be able to get it.
Can I join the video club?
Sure.
How do you join the video club?
You have to get a form and sign form for your parents.
Wait, like this,
Pretty good.
like during.
My parents don't care.
This is whenever I feel like it.
How did I watched Andy find out?
How do you find out about it? You just did.
Yeah, but how did Andy find out about it?
So I think she asked me in a video. And she's actually in a video. I just haven't finished it yet.
No.
Sure.
Can I feel like it's gonna be fun?
Yeah, you
I
saw
wanted
it.
to be in one.
I'll be your back.